Thank you for participating in our study on how software engineers evaluate AI-generated code and explanations. This video is meant to onboard you, the participant, on what your tasks are for this study, and how to navigate the study platform we have developed. Let us begin. Before the beginning of the study, you were given a URL to access our platform and user credentials. Go to the URL and log in with the credentials that were given to you. Make sure to always remember your user credentials and safely store them for the duration of the study. So let's log in. Once you have logged in, you are presented with a list of problems that you will be solving with the help of AI over the course of 2 work weeks. For each day from Monday to Friday, we will be solving exactly one problem for a maximum of 15 minutes. To ensure the correctness, the problems are available to solve according to the scheduled date displayed on their cards. So as you can see here, problem 2's schedule is July 19. And since this video was recorded on July 19 as well, only that problem is available to be solved, while the others are locked for the meantime. So let's open problem 2. In the UI, you are presented with 3 panels. On the leftmost panel is a problem for you to solve. It contains a description of the problem, along with example test cases and constraints. The middle panel is a text editor. On the upper left of it is a drop-down of 4 programming language choices. Select the one you are most comfortable working with. Because the context of the study is humans evaluated AI-generated code, we have constrained you towards using the Generate AI Solution feature only. And the text editor is read-only, meaning you can't manually write code for the meantime. The rightmost panel will contain AI's explanation for the solution. Let's then walk through the actual problem solving. In this study, we want you to approach the problem how you would normally approach one in the real world. So we encourage you to read the problem thoroughly and understand the requirements. Once you have understood the problem requirements, click the Generate AI Solution button. After a few seconds, it will generate the AI solution as well as its explanation. As mentioned earlier, engage with these outputs similar to how you engage with them in the real world. When evaluating these AI outputs, keep in mind that there is no runtime environment in this platform, so you have to use your own reasoning with regard to the correctness of the solution. You may use pen and paper to help with this. After you have evaluated the AI outputs, you are given 2 choices: to accept the solution and reject and revise the solution. Selecting either one will show a confirmation dialog before you proceed. Should you decide to accept, it means you have evaluated the solution to pass all example and hidden test cases. Once you have confirmed the dialog, it will redirect you to the problem list page. Once you are redirected here, you are done for the day and you may log out. If you decide to reject the AI solution, the text editor becomes editable and you are free to make changes to the existing AI code. If you change your mind, you may go back and the solution in the text editor reverts back to the AI's initial solution, and the text editor becomes read-only again. However, if you are confident that the changes you made would pass all example and hidden test cases, you may then submit your solution. After you have submitted it, it will redirect you to the problem list page and you are done for the day, and you may log out. As mentioned earlier, this takes place for 2 work weeks. So for the next days, the other problems will be available. For uniformity, we encourage you to answer these problems from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Thank you very much for your participation in this study.